This is the recording for programming for single user mode for the Kpx-100. Single user mode, to start, you punch in the factory set access code 0000 star, put you into programming mode. To change user access code, press 0 and put in a new code, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, press pound. Your code will now be 1, 2, 3, 4. To program for the first user on relay 1, you press 1 and then any 4-digit code. 1, 1, 1, 1, pound. It is now programmed for single user. Relay 1 has been activated. As you can see by the green lights on both the relay contact and on the front. This is all you need to do for the programming in single user mode.